I think a lot of it is, we've talked about just the cultural changes that are caused by the paradigm shift, and certainly a lot of those are the issue isn't really technology issues as much as cultural in many cases or policy issues. But I think the key from a technical sense is defining the interfaces between the different elements of the cloud, because not everything necessarily will be in one location. The government may choose to keep the data, in a government data center, right, and maybe expose other elements out into a more public cloud on in occasion. But defining those interfaces and the net ops to ensure that the SOAs are being met, that that security is being delivered, and that in particular what the cloud provider is promising is actually what the customer is receiving. Yeah. That's the key, particularly when you're talking about public clouds.
Right.
We've seen lots of stories in the news over the last 18 years of events. Public commercial email providers, when you sign the agreement, you agree for them to be able to search your mailbox, right, and index your data. Right. We don't necessarily believe that the mission of the U.S. government, and particularly the Department of Defense, is necessarily supportive of that move.
Yeah.